Hello 5th standard students. Today we are going to start our new session of 5th topic of mathematics, that is, does it look the same? But before that, first of all, tell me, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, so now we will start our today's session, that is related to the 5th topic of mathematics, that is, does it look the same? In the last session, we have studied about the half turn and 1/4 turn. I hope you have done your all the activities. But today in this session, we are going to study about 1/3 and 1/6 turn of the objects. Here is the question 1. Can you see that this shape looks the same on 1/6 turn? Now look at here in this figure. 1/6, the denominator number shows 6. That means to turn the object we have to give the shape to that sixth sides which one have hexagon. Okay, so this is the shape, and with the shape and this box which having 6 faces, this one boy and one girl doing this activity. So now we are going to study our next point, that is we have to show that does it look the same, these shapes on 1/3 and 1/6 turn. So dear student, all these shapes look same on 1/3 and 1/6 turn. Look at here carefully. But you can see these, the first one in the first diagram, the around triangles are same to that side. But the middle one triangle is same as to 1/3 turn. But on 1/6 turn it gets changed. Second shape looks same on 1/3 turn and 1/6 turn. This third one shape looks same on 1/3 and 1/6 turn. As like that, fourth shape where are the three circles are intersecting each other looks same on 1/3 and 1/6 turn. But now there will be one question that you arise in your mind, how we can identify, so which type of activity we have to do it to find out does it look the same on 1/3 or 1/6 turn? Yes, there are many activities are there and we are going to do it, but before that just wait for some time. Look at the following shapes and find out which of these figures looks the same on 1/3 turn and mark them. And the question number B is, which are those ones that will not look the same after 1/3 turn and mark them. Okay, there are the two groups of the diagram, so they are asking the same question for two times. So these are the shapes that we have and we have to identify that does it look the same on 1/3 turn, and we are going to see also that does it look the same for 1/6 turn. Okay, now these shapes are the shape of first group does not look same on the 1/3 turn, but shape of the second group looks same on 1/3 turn. So now I will show you how to do it. Look at here carefully. Okay, so look at here carefully. I have these figures. Okay, you can see this, how many figures are there that we have to do here, activity related to this shapes. Now look at here, this is the 1/3 turn. So according to the denominator number, we have to choose that shape which having three sides. So which shape having three sides? Triangle. So why we are taking here triangle shape? So dear students, it will be easy to turn. Okay, so look at here carefully. This is our original shape. Look at here carefully. Okay, okay, just I have solved before that. This is my original shape. Okay, and now I am going to change this 1/3 turn. That means out of the three parts, just I am covering only one part. So how many sides are there? This is the one, this is the second, and this is the third. Okay, so just I am going to see that which one looks the same on 1/3. Look at here carefully. Just I am covering here one part only. Does it look the same? No, it does not look the same. Now I will take the second one. Okay, Now you have to tell me that does it look the same for the 1/6 turn? Now look at here carefully, 6. That means I choose here a shape which having 6 sides. So now I will turn this 1/3. So I will covering only one part. So from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here first, from this here we cover one part, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. So I have to cover only one part because it is a 1/6 turn. That means out of 6 part I have to cover here only one part. So now I will cover only one part. Okay. Does it look the same? No, it get changed. Now 1/3 turn, look at here carefully. Just I am going to change the 1/3 turn. Does it look the same? No, it does not look the same. It gets different. Now the next one. Now we will see this shape will change its shape on 1/3 turn. Look at here. Okay. This point is at the vertex of this triangle. Now we will cover the one part out of the 3 part to look, to watch that or to see that does it look the same? No. Now I will take or I will cover 1/3 part. Okay. So I am here again for again place my green portion at the second vertex which will complete 1/3 part. Now tell me, you can see these the triangles which are around the green shape, it looks same, but what about this green shape? It change its direction. Okay, so on 1/3 turn this shape does not look the same. Okay, now again this, does it look the same? Now I will move this point towards the second vertices and I will see does it look the same. So yes, it looks same. So now this one I have to see that just this shape looks same on 1/3 turn. So I will cover here 1/3 turn. Here is my first vertices out of the 3. So to cover the one part I will turn it to the second vertices. Does it look the same? Yes, it looks same. So I have to move little bit one more. Yes, it looks same. So as like that, by using triangle and hexagon, we can find out the shapes are looking same on 1/3 turn or 1/6 turn. To take a 1/3 turn, we are going to use here triangle shape, and for the 1/6 turn, we are going to use hexagon. Now we will see again 1/6 turn. Okay, now look at here, this is the shape and this is the first part, and this is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Out of this 6th part I am going to cover the 1/6 part. So I will move from here to here. Now tell me, does it look the same? Yes, still it is look the same. So now the next one, already we have studied about this shape on 1/3 turn. Now we are going to see does it look the same on 1/6 turn. So I will take here 1/6 turn. I will cover one part out of the 6 part. Okay, now does it look the same? No, that means this shape looks same on 1/3 turn, but it looks different on 1/6 turn. Now this one, on 1/6 turn I have to take this part. Okay, does it look the same? No, that means it is not fixed that which shape looks same on the 1/3 turn. It should be look same on 1/6 turn. Okay, one shape will be different for the 1/3 turn and one for 1/6 turn. So as like that, by using triangle for 1/3 turn and hexagon for 1/6 turn, you can do your activities. So you can take any shapes and you can see that whether it is look same on 1/6 turn, on 1/3 turn, or as like that you have to justify your answer with 1/4 turn and half turn also. So as like that we are going to solve our next question, that is As like that you have to see these uh, shapes which has look same on 1/3 turn or 1/6 turn, and you will get like these answers. You have to take these shapes and you have to see that whether it looks same on 1/6 turn or 1/3 turn, and you will get this answer for 1/3 turn. And now question number 2 is, draw some shapes which will look the same after 1/3 turn. Here I draw some shapes that you have to check yourself whether it is look same on 1/3 turn or not. And these shapes are 1/6 turn, and out of this we have checked that it is look same on 1/6 turn. Now you have to check that it is look same or not. Okay, so as like that, these activities you have to do at your home with your parents and friends, and look that and try to understand half turn, 1/4 turn, 1/6 turn and 1/3 turn. Still, if you have any difficulty or any query, you can ask me. Till then, have a good day.